söö ära vä? You said eat it and then you said take it.
Lick it.
Yeah. No, actually no.
You know, you can make me say
Yeah,
anything
yes.
right now. I'll
Okay,
probably say
yes.
I'm a hooker, but yeah.
Banan.
Banana. This is banana.
Yeah. You said huulitunneli luuk.
Huulitunneli luuk.
Wow!
Wow!
Arbuus.
Arbuus. What's that? Pussy?
Hernehirmutis.
Hernehirmutis.
Pagasiga pood.
Why do you say my mother's a hooker now? Why did you say that?
I made it up for you.
That's why I couldn't say it, you know, I was like, this is not Estonian. Yeah.
No, it was. Yeah, you know, car has front and back. I put it together.
Front back of car.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
Universal.
It's like universal.
Püksid.
Puksid.
Karupüksid.
Karupuksid. What did you say?
Õunapuu.
Õunapuu.
Õhtu.
Õhtu.
Õhtusöök.
Õhtusöök.
Katuseparandaja.
Katuseparandaja. What did you say? Did you say my poop was somewhere? I don't know.
No.
You can say it, yeah.
Korstnapühkija.
Korstnapühkija.
Arst.
Arst.
Õpetaja.
Õpetaja.
Õllekõht.
Õllekott. Õllekõht.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. I have no idea what I'm saying.
Ujula.
Ujula.
Bassein.
Bassein? Huh? You say it like louder because...
Ei ütle koledaid sõnu.
Ei ütle, kui sa said seda sõna.
Ema tuli koju.
Ema is really hard. Yeah?
Lammas näksid mõru.
Lammas näksid mõru. I have no idea. I probably just said, you know, Belgians are all hookers. They smoke weed. They poo in the streets.
Yeah.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
And then you said front back car.
Yeah.
Should I teach you some Dutch now?
Yes.
Yeah. Hallo.
Hallo.
Ik ben Yasmin.
Yasmin.
Yeah. Just putting your name. Ik ben
Janne.
Yeah! Ik ben een hoed. Een hoed. Ik pijp graag.
Ik pijp graag.
Ik pijp graag.
Ik pijp graag. Now you're laughing.
Ik doe kaka.
Really?
It's like another word.
Ik doe kaka?
In de straat.
Do you know what kaka in Estonian means?
Yeah.
Ik doe kaka on the streets.
I said I poop on the streets.
Yeah.
That's what I said. You do kaka in de straat, yeah.
Yeah, kaka is kaka.
Kaka is kaka.
Yeah, we have the same word, you know. So I can say to my clients, tourists, you know, if you say kaka, that means kaka, you know.
Like, you know Belgium.
Yeah. And they're kaka.